Hello everyone, today I am going to open and build this LEGO Speed Champions Ferrari SF90 XX Stradale. So before I start building this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. Here we are, I have finished building this Ferrari SF90 XX Stradale. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here's a battle at this Ferrari, but before I get started, this is probably one of the speed champion set with the least stickers. But anyway, I was very impressed with the building of this particular car. It obviously looks really good, but there's so much interesting building techniques with even new elements to make this build not just being challenging, but also able to create something that you are never previously able to do before. One of the new piece I want to highlight is this here. This is something new. They didn't give you any extra because I think this is so useful. It allows you to create some of the shape on the car that really in the previous speed champions you were not able to. I think they've done well with this streamlined look. This little gap here is something that cannot be avoided. Obviously, it can be, recreate with some other pieces, but I just don't think that is possible unless they create a new element. The outlet at the wheel arc is also printed. The other thing that I'm really impressed is this new Speed Champion wheels here. So you can see one of the reasons I bought this set because I thought, it's just another Ferrari, but I noticed the wheel actually has a Ferrari logo printed on it. Because of this, you don't get your usual wheel covers, but instead you've got this new wheel piece with a extremely thin tie that you need to fit onto it. Once again, this badge here is printed. I think the front of the car is done very well. The headlights are also printed, and then the front spoiler and the intake looks so great, and the building technique is something so unusual. It actually took me a while to get used to, and then this is how it looks underneath. The exhaust and the back here is another interesting build, and again using some unusual pieces to create the looks, which is pretty cool. And the other thing I was impressed is actually this tile here. The Ferrari logo is actually printed inside of the usual sticker. This also made me question why they can't also print the logo for the front piece. You can see this is a sticker. Having said that, this piece here got a little black ink print here. And of course, you can see the interior by removing the windscreen. The interior is very nice. Another thing that impressed me most is how they use the yellow clip. Even though it's not printed, but you can see this yellow badge here, which recreate the looks of the Ferrari interior very well. There are also two stickers to give the interior a bit more details. Once again, this set includes one minifigure with a Ferrari outfit, so this is another new one with a nice print, and there's a woman with a uncommon hairstyle. And that's it for this Ferrari SF90 XX Stradale. I have to say, this is an excellent set. I thoroughly enjoyed the building, and I do find it challenging after building so many Lego sets. And the outcome is brilliant with the use of new elements and some new prints, which I like this set very much, and definitely a recommendation for me. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.